Look at this short. This short has got more than 500,000 views. This is Horror Story Short. Before you get scared, I want to tell that this is one of the evergreen niches that you can start your own YouTube channel in. Just look at this channel. It has just 22 videos and has already got close to 14,000 subscribers. Obviously, this means this niche is not that competitive and has a lot of potential. So this video, I'll guide you on how to create horror story shorts with AI and start your YouTube journey. This time, we'll jump straight on the video creation. We'll be using Flicky. After logging in, we'll click on the New File button, enter our file name, select the language and dialect, and choose Portrait for the aspect ratio. Then, we'll select Idea under Start With and click Submit. Now write the following idea. A scary but believable story told from a first-person perspective, like sharing a personal experience. It should not include haunted houses or ghosts. The suspense should build slowly so listeners can really feel it. Next, in the content settings, select AI Media then Video. Make sure it's set to Cinematic and under More, sound effects are checked. Now, hit Submit. Flicky will create a horror story short for us. First of all, viewers love heavy voices on horror stories, so we'll click on the voice and select Bruce from here. I think this is the heaviest among the available options. We'll scroll down and check Apply to all scenes and hit Select. Another thing that's very important for horror story shorts is the pace of the voice. Unlike other shorts which prefer a quick pace, horror story shorts have a slow and steady pace to build the anticipation, so we'll reduce the speed to 90 from the customization panel. And regarding captions, I love the Grandster font on my horror shorts, so we'll select it. Next, change the display to Word and turn on bubble effect. Let's also resize it a bit. After making these changes, we'll hit Apply to all scenes to copy the same settings to all the scenes. Next, for the media, I think everything is already on point, but still if you want to make changes, you can click on the media icon, switch to the Generate tab, and click Auto Generate to generate a new visual. You can also create an AI video clip with an image. Just switch it to AI video clip and select Generate video clip using this image, and it will generate the clip. By the way, you can do all this with a text prompt as well. You should know that background music is the life of the horror story video. While Flicky does a really good job with the music selection, you can manually change it from background audio layer from here. After everything is set, you can click on Download, select the desired resolution and format. I prefer 1080p and MP4 format. Next, hit Start Export, then Start. It will render the video for us, which we can then download by clicking on the Download MP4 option. Now, let's watch the video.
I always took the same route home from work, a quiet country road that was usually deserted at night. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, I noticed a woman walking along the road. She seemed lost. Against my better judgment, I pulled over and offered her a ride, to which she agreed. As I drove, I tried to make small talk, but she remained silent. Suddenly, the car felt colder, and an uneasy feeling settled over me. Glancing over, I saw her face clearly illuminated by the dashboard lights. Her eyes were empty, black voids. Panic surged through me and I slammed on the brakes, turning to confront her. But she was gone. I sped home, heart pounding, only to find an old news article the next day about a woman who had disappeared on that very road decades ago.
This is scary amazing. We literally spent a few minutes to create a really amazing horror story short which I believe has huge potential to go viral. Now, it's your turn to create scary videos and have a blast on YouTube.